We have moved on to the next location, but it's just as wet as the first location. We're just gonna brave the elements and move forth.
Yes.
Why does my vocabulary get really bad the minute I try to start recording? Well, we did it. We climbed all the way to the top, got absolutely soaking wet. It was just fog and rain. Basically the only thing you could see was the path and the grass, and that's it.
If that.
If that. Spotted another seal. Let's go look for some seals. There he is. There's another one. I keep spotting all of the seals. Ooh, you can just about see his little head. Just as we were walking back, a massive chunk of the iceberg fell off. The noise was super impressive. And then it created this huge wave.
And then you saw another seal.
And then I saw another seal.
I can't believe you keep seeing all the seals.
I was talking as well. He was saying something to me and I just went, seal. Do you think David Attenborough would hire me?
Yeah, we see the seal.
Seals. Is that what's making that noise? Wow, that's noisy. Wow. Anyway. Good morning. Another day, another location. Today we're visiting like this really cool Viking village, and I think it was built specifically for a film set. We haven't figured out which one it is yet, but we will. And there's not many people. Once again, we've managed to come when there's like just a handful of people, so it's really nice. We're up in the mountains right now, and it's an interesting road. It's like this gravelly road. I'm enjoying this as well because so far when we've been driving, it's only ever been on sea level. We haven't actually driven in the mountains. We've done hikes and stuff up in the mountains, but this feels different because we're actually like driving through the mountains. Yeah, that's what I just said. I'm just repeating myself, but yeah, it's cool. It feels very different. Okay, so we kept going up the gravel road and basically we're so high. I'm so proud of Ingrid. We drove up so high that we've actually broken through some of the clouds. On top of the mountain we can actually see sky. Wow. Good morning. You guessed it. Another day, another location. First thing we're gonna do is head to like this reindeer park. Those toes are huge. He's got great footing, he has. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Chomp, chomp, chomp. I think calling this a park though is a bit of a stretch.
Yeah, it's 2 reindeers.
I was expecting to have to like walk a bit.
It's just there.
Yeah, the car park is literally just behind us. Oh my god. I haven't actually vlogged in ages. I haven't done an update or anything in a while. And it's been quite a few days. We're now in the north of Iceland. I'm definitely going to slip and fall to my death. We went to sleep last night and it was not like this. We woke up this morning. I got up because I was going to go to the bathroom and stepped outside and it is just a winter wonderland. It is covered in snow everywhere. It's beautiful. I was a little bit stressed though when I woke up at first. I was like, oh god, I've got to drive in snow and I've never driven in snow. It's snowing. I don't think I've ever seen this much snow. And it's still coming down. It's exciting. I feel like a child. Look at this beautiful, fresh Icelandic snow. Wow. That's true. You could sell gloves by now. Yeah. You could have a glove shop. I'm trying to vlog whilst going up the stairs, which is probably a bad idea seeing how fast I get out of breath. But I've done a really bad job so far at vlogging this whole vlogging business, but I am trying. Update, because it's about time for an update. It's been like days, but we've done like the entire northern part of Iceland. Oh, we're not far from getting back to Reykjavik. God, I really do get out of breath fast. We're just slowly making our way back. Almost finished off the ring road. We've done quite a lot. Yesterday we went to see where the this is embarrassing, where the death penalty was executed for the last time in Iceland, which was the beheading of both Agnes and Friedrich in 1830. They were decapitated and their heads were then put on spikes. If editing Luca can be bothered to put pictures up, she will. We've done that. We went to, I can't remember what it's called, Havenstangi. It's supposed to be like the seal capital of Iceland. And we were really hoping to at least see like, I'm so out of breath. How is he already all the way over there? He's done this the whole trip. It's ridiculous. So yeah, seal capital of Iceland. Thought I was going to see loads of seals and we did not see a single seal. And yeah, that could be our fault. Maybe the weather wasn't right, I don't know. Anyway, and that brings us to today. I've skipped a load of other stuff, but we are now... Is this a volcano? Huh. We're climbing a volcano, so I'm bringing to you the content. Watch me not film anything after this. I am flying up these stairs. Absolutely not. No, I'm not racing you. No.
Go on, you can get a head start and then we can race.
No, I'm not racing. I had my morning porridge. It's helping me out. Oh my god, you're the worst. Jack's off. Oh yeah, let's do that. Jack, calm down. How did you get down there so quickly?
Wet and dodgy.
It's really wet and dodgy.
Down that way.
Alright. It was much slippier than I thought. If you're at home thinking, oh yeah, that looked great, I should definitely do that. Those rocks were like 10 times slippier than I was expecting them to be. As you can probably see in the footage, I really struggled to kind of maneuver myself on them. Don't do what I just did. To be honest, it was really cool, but don't do it.